Good morning! Hi! We've just parked the motorhome and walk into Narbonne. I say walk because I have no idea how far it is. I feel really unprepared. I found a car park, but the problem is we got up quite late and there was no chance of getting in there anyway, so we had a look around, no car parking. If we had bikes, this would be perfect, but we don't. I found a market on the edge of the river, so we're going to walk up to the market, have a look around. We might go into Narbonne, I have no idea. So come and see what we see. Come with us, everyone. Good morning.
Morning.
Hi, say hi, Eva.
Hi.
We just walked past a rather large pétanque court. I think it's a court. Anyway, lots and lots of pétanque pitches, places where people play pétanque. Anyway, there's no one playing pétanque. I guess that's for the evening. But there was like five older guys around a table drinking wine and spirits and all sorts of things, beers. And it's only like 10:30 in the morning. These guys are committed. Do you think they're getting ready for tonight? I don't know. They're on the sesh already. Hi everyone, so it's at this point I realise that there's no audio, so I don't know what to do. I need to stop doing this. Anyway, we are now on the river. Don't know what the river's called, sorry. We're going to make our way down to the market. The sun is out and the weather is absolutely glorious. And at the moment I'm saying something, Eva's getting dragged through a tree. She's smiling. That's all you can hope for really. I don't know what I'm saying now. I'm saying something. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, we had a really good time walking down the river. Really interesting, just spending time in a busy, bustling place that equally gave us a sense of calm. Right, so we're now at a store. You can see it just behind me with the blue top, and it's got Amazon returns. Is that what you'd call it, Mummy?
I think it is, but I don't know if it's returns because it's broken or returns because you don't want it.
Yeah, some kind of returns or lost or something. So packages apparently from Amazon. Hi Eva, say hi.
Hi.
Not sure they're actually from Amazon. It might be a con, I don't know, but I felt like
I've heard of it before that you can like buy Amazon.
Yeah, but it's a market store.
But yeah, it is a market store.
Should we try it?
How much is it?
I don't know. But should we try it? Should we try it,
Maybe.
Eva? Should we do it? Say yes, Eva.
No, she says no.
I'm going to do it anyway. Let's try it. Right, so we've got it. Took a bit of waiting. There's a big queue. Should we open it? Should we just come over here, Ethan, and open it? Right, so we've now got the parcel. It could be anything. I reckon it's a brick or something.
No,
It was 12 euros because it was 20 euros per kilogram. No idea what this is. It says
Pay attention, the LR.
it's a replaceable head strap for the Quest 2. Absolutely useless. But it was fun. Now we're going in the bin. Wave, Eva, wave. Hi Eva. We're on the train. I'm just waiting for it to move. For 21 euros with Eva free, we get to go on a train. Mummy's tired and it's only lunchtime. This weather is wonderful.
Hi.
You wave.
Choo choo.
Choo choo, there's a train. So from what I've been told, Narbonne came from riches which were from wine. So it seems there's a lot of wine in the region that has paid for this city, and it expanded because the rich people that lived here wanted to make it even better. So when the wine was being exported, it was exported using the canal. They then used the trains when they were all popular. And then since then, they're exported by road. Canals are now a big part of tourism. So just inside there is the Narbonne food market. Try and get there. I think we just need to cross over the river from where the train stops and hopefully can have a look around. Our driver is very, very impressive. Check this out, it's as tight as that on both sides. And there's like there's 3 carriages and the trains. I don't know how he does it. Very impressed. So I'm going to conclude this city is busy. It is busy, but peaceful. It's got some kind of tranquility about it. So this is the last remaining part of the wall. It was fortified a long time ago. I can't remember what he said. And it was fortified due to Spain, the threat of Spain invading. So that church was home to Franciscan friars. Very interesting.
La chapelle des pénitentes possède une architecture autocarrée des donjons de l'antique Narbonne.
Sandwich number 2. Spaghetti number 2 is pesto, mozzarella and tomato. I've never had anything like this before. It is delicious. So after a really good ride on the train, some yummy food, we're now at the food market that we saw when we were on our train ride. The smell in here is crazy. Hi everyone. So we feel slightly more tanned and exposed to a bit of more vitamin D, which is never something to be frowned at. We're now going to be heading on to our campsite, but we are going to go via Carscon because I really want to go there. Time-wise, it's just not going to happen unless we get to the campsite at like 7 or 8 o'clock, and that's not going to work for any of us. So I think we're going to go via. We'll have a look, and at least we know what we've missed. Just arrived at a camping car park which looks really good. The downside is it's full. The reality of trying to drive and hope for the best, which is one of our failings. But it looks really nice. I'm going to take the drone up and have a look and give you an idea of where we are. So we've just left the camping car park because it was full. I got a bit confused because there was an extra space, but doing some research you can reserve them in advance, which is great if we had done that, but we didn't, so that's no good for us. So we used the showers and now we are heading to another option that we found, that I found, and I hope it's got availability. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we have arrived. Campsite details below. I have no idea where we are. The campsite manager, owner, whatever, wasn't here on site at the time, so I phoned him. He doesn't speak English, not his problem, obviously he's French, I'm English, it's my problem. He said 5 minutes, and he turned up. Extremely polite, extremely helpful. There was one of the campers who is French, speaks good English, did some translation. I probably could have spoken more French, but I was a bit hesitant. I didn't want to confuse the situation more. Maybe I should have been braver. He came from 5 minutes away, and I was really thankful, so I gave him a little tip. This place is great. There's a main road over there, like on the other side of this. I guess it'll quieten down later, but even if it doesn't, it's not that loud. The guy even helped running cabling because the power, he's like 2 bays down, and he didn't want to disturb too many people, so he was really helpful and helped running the cable. Had to use like 30 metres of cable, not a massive issue. It's what we've got on the van anyway, and they are on a Euro connector, Schuko. So yeah, we are here now. Jaynie's made some yummy food. We've got pasta salad and we've got some wine that we got from the supermarket yesterday. So we're going to chill out here and enjoy ourselves, but it's a lovely location. Let's go see what everyone's got. Can you show everyone your food? Just smile.
Can you pick your bowl up and show Daddy?
Can you show everyone your food? Wow. And then Mummy, can you show everyone your food?
I'll show you my wine.
Wine.
Here's my food.
So I've checked drone assist and I'm going to take the drone up in a bit. Drone assist, for you that don't know, is a drone app that allows me to check I'm allowed to fly where I'm flying. It's very important. Don't want to upset anyone, but also don't want to break any laws. I'll take the drone up soon after I've had my food, and I'll just show you the campsite and a bit more of the area. Okay, bye. Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
10:44 p.m. French time.
And we are ready for sleep now. I thought we'd just say good night because it's been a long day. We've done a lot of exciting things, haven't we? Yeah, so we went and had a great time going round Narbonne, which was wonderful, and we're now relaxing somewhere here.
With the frogs.
Yeah, we can hear frogs and all sorts of strange animals
Few
making
bats.
lots of bats everywhere.
Haven't quite hit us, but close to it.
This campsite's great. It's really peaceful, which is wonderful, and the kids have had a great time too. Anyway, we will see you tomorrow. Good night.
Good night.